Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to combine multiple Excel files. We're not using average ifs here. We are going to use Power Query. So here is the problem statement. I have a folder with me which has 3 Excel files in it: 001, 002, and 003. In 001, this is the data set that we have. So we have 499 records with us, and we have about 35 columns. And just like this, we also have 002 and 003 with an almost equal number of rows in it. The objective is to combine the data from all the 3. So I will first open a blank Excel file. We go to data, get data, from file, and then from folder. Let me go to my desktop, select the correct folder, which is this one, combine Excel files. Click on open. Now, the first thing it does is to confirm how many files are there in that folder. We want to combine and transform them. We select the sheet and then go to OK. This will open up a new window on your system called Power Query. And as you can see, all the 3 files have been combined. If I close and load the data, you will see that there are exactly 1,500 records that we have. Now imagine that in that folder, we are adding a 4th file. All I have to do is to right-click and then click on refresh, and instantaneously, the 4th file gets picked up as well. What we're using here is called Power Query, which is available not just on Excel, but on Power BI as well. If you would like to understand Power Query in more detail, then I have a separate course on Power Query. And I strongly recommend all of you to start learning it, because it will just make Excel so much more powerful, going beyond the formulas and the charts and all the features that you are comfortable with. There is an entirely new set of features available in Power Query. Also, if you are curious what will happen when there are a very large number of files, maybe there are multiple folders, there are different sheets, the sheet name is not consistent, the columns are different, the order is different. For that, there is a separate video which is available on my YouTube channel. So when you go to my channel, Havish Madhvapati, and you see playlists, I have a playlist on Power BI. And in this, there is a 58-minute video on combining multiple Excel files, where I've explained 17 different situations, and I've told you how to tackle it. So things like sheet protection, column order, column spelling. So whenever you're trying to combine files and the files are not really consistent, how do you handle that is what has been explained in this video.